Defending against viruses is quite tough. Vaccines work by teaching our immune system to recognize a specific virus so it can mount an effective immune response. Another approach is the use of antivirals, which prevent viruses from replicating and can be used to treat a current infection. In a new study published in Nature Microbiology, microbiologist Carette of Stanford University and his colleagues have found a human gene that produces a protein without which a range of enteroviruses cannot replicate. The work could pave the way for antivirals effective against multiple illnesses including most cases of the common cold. New neural network could solve the three-body problem 100 million times faster. The three-body problem, one of the most notoriously complex calculations in physics, may have met its match in artificial intelligence. A new neural network promises to find solutions up to 100 million times faster than existing techniques. First formulated by Sir Isaac Newton, the three-body problem involves calculating the movement of three gravitationally interacting bodies such as the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun. The research hasn't yet been published, but is available to read on archive.org. The Design Museum, London has created a full-scale Mars home to immerse yourself in the untouched beauty of the landscape and learn how rethinking daily life for a zero-waste, clean energy-powered civilization might help future generations on Earth. Children born today are the first who might witness a human mission to Mars in their lifetime. It's one of humanity's great challenges and everything will need to be designed, but should we even be going? The exhibition features immersive environments, about 200 objects including contributions from NASA, the European Space Agency and SpaceX, the first sustainable urban design for Mars, Mars City Design. Are we alone in the universe? It comes down to whether intelligence is a probable outcome of natural selection, or an improbable fluke. Our evolutionary history shows that many key adaptations, not just intelligence, but complex animals, complex cells, photosynthesis, and life itself were unique, one-off events, and therefore highly improbable. Photosynthesis evolved 1.5 billion years after the Earth's formation, complex cells after 2.7 billion years, complex animals after 4 billion years, and human intelligence 4.5 billion years. On other worlds, these critical adaptations might have evolved too late for intelligence to emerge before their suns went nova, or not at all. Wigner crystallization, where particles with the same electrical charge repel one another to form an ordered structure, has been observed in variety of systems, ranging from particulates the size of sand grains suspended in small clouds of electrons and ions to the dense interiors of planet-sized stars, known as white dwarfs. Professor Alex Bataller of North Carolina State University has recently discovered that Wigner crystallization inside white dwarfs can be studied in the lab using a new class of classical systems, called gravity crystals. This uses gravity as a tool of confinement to extend Wigner crystallization to macroscopic dimensions with particles a million times more massive than its dusty plasma cousin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steamdaily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.